Hey, welcome to another episode of Titanium Man Garage. And yesterday I picked up a 2002 Polaris Sportsman 700 at auction. It's not one of these. I got it outside right now. So they thought the transmission was toast, but you're going to laugh when you see what I found. Shifter looks like it was jammed. It's just stripped out. It's not even moving. So the funny part is that 700 came from a dealership. I've been getting a couple of them. It's a dealership out of Minnesota, and they thought the transmission was junk. See here, that's cracked. You can tell the guy was jamming on the gears because it's bent. So I'm going to pull that cover off, and there's two gears in there once you pull the cover off. So I got this machine laying around here. I might just grab that part off of there, see if I can't get it to shift. If not, I'll take this cover off. There's like 5 bolts or so. And then there's 2 gears behind there that mesh together. A lot of times the spring breaks and things get jammed up. I do have a video which I'll post a link for to show what I did to repair it. Alright guys, so I took the cover off. It actually wasn't too bad. And the spring was actually good. I thought the spring would be bad. That goes right here and pushes up against here. If you look here, there are teeth missing. So I gotta replace this gear. I think I'm gonna try getting on here with a vice grips or something. Just try to get it in the neutral so I can get it off the trailer. So what caused this? And you can see the teeth laying down here. It's chunks of metal. Maybe the transmission is bad. I'll find out once I turn that shaft. Usually things happen like the spring gets broken, gets jammed in the teeth, and yeah, it messes everything up. So I'm hoping that's what it is. If not, I guess I'll be pulling the stranding out. Hope you like this little quick tip. Hoping it's a quick fix. If not, you'll see a video on how to tear out transmission. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Like always, till next time.